Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to fix voice effect not available on the TikTok. So recently I have uploaded a video on the memory trend on TikTok. Many people are claiming that they did not find or get a voice effect option on their TikTok. So in this video I will show you how you can fix it. So watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your TikTok mobile application. Once you will open it, you have to click on this plus icon, and once you will click on it, now you have to upload or record a video. So many people claiming that when they upload a video from their gallery, they did not find a voice effect option. So you can easily find it right here. You can easily see voice effects are here. But if you don't find it, make sure your TikTok mobile application is up to date. So you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the TikTok and you have to update it from here. Once you will update it, after that you have to go back and open your settings, and you have to search for the apps and the notification from here and open TikTok from here. And then simply you have to click on the storage and the cache, and you have to click on the clear storage or clear cache. And once you will do it, open your TikTok and log into your account again, and you will easily find this option. So if you have still any confusion, you can ask me in the comment section again. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.